Hi everyone, welcome back to Rice Cooker Adventures. Today we're gonna make sushi, woohoo! So for our protein, we're going to use fried fish cake. This is fully cooked. This is a brand I purchased. I think it's Korean. And then this is also the red pepper powder I purchased. It's also Korean. And then this is Chinese. It's called spicy chili crisp. It's so delicious. You can add it to everything, literally. So let's go ahead and unroll this to show you what it looks like on the inside. So you get 3 sheets of fully cooked fried fish cake. I've had it in other like Korean restaurants and it's delicious. So I think what we're gonna do is stack this up and then cut it into fourths, right? And then we're gonna put it into a Ziploc bag. And then go ahead and add a spoonful of the coarse chili pepper and then also a spoonful of the chili crisp and then mix it all up so we can cook it into the air fryer. I'm thinking we should use the air fryer for this so it can get crispy. And then just let it marinate in the refrigerator for as long as you want. Right? Cool. And then after a couple of hours, let's take it out. This is what it looks like. I think instead of the air fryer, why don't we try cooking it in the rice cooker? I think it'll be an interesting experiment. So go ahead and wash your rice. I used about a cup. Make sure the rice, the water runs really clean and you get all the white murky stuff out. This is the brand of rice I used. And then let's go ahead and add water. I think this time I'm just gonna use, since it's 1 cup of rice, I'll just use 1 cup of water, right? And then let's just go ahead and start chopping our fish cake. So after it's all chopped up, I just kind of added it to the rice cooker pot, mix it all up. Looking pretty good. And then as usual, we're just gonna cook it in the quick setting. Yep, for 40 minutes. In the meantime, let's go ahead and chop some cucumbers. This is the brand I purchased. They're mini cucumbers. They're so delicious. Let's go ahead and wash a couple and then start slicing. So I went ahead and sliced 1 to show you what it looks like. We're going to first chop the ends and then we're gonna slice it lengthwise into slices, and then we're going to slice those again so you have like long matchsticks, or you know, whatever you want to call them. Let's go ahead and slice them and then place them on that plate or any plate. This is what it looks like. They don't have to be even, you know, because they're gonna go into sushi. And then once that's all sliced up, let's go ahead and open up our rice cooker and see how it cooked. Ah, it looks delicious. Wow. And the fish cake looks so soft. I wonder if it's going to be spicy. I can't believe this worked. I'm actually kind of amazed. And then why don't we try this? I'm kind of curious. Okay, so let's see what this tastes like. Let's grab a fish cake too, not just a rice. That was delicious. It's not spicy at all, and the fish cake is super soft. So perfect. Now we're gonna start the sushi. So this is the brand of nori I purchased, which is basically dried seaweed. I think this is Korean. And then I also had some kimchi in my fridge, so I kind of thought, why don't we just put it into the sushi too? So I think we have a theme going on here. We're making, it's not gimbap, but this is like Korean gimbap, kind of. with a Chinese flair to it. Delicious. So go ahead and grab a sheet of nori. So there's two sides. There's a shiny side and a dull side that has lines in it. It's kind of coarse. We want to use the shiny side down so it's pretty, and then the coarse side up, and that's where we're going to put the rice and all of our filling. So go ahead and put a spoonful of rice on top of the nori, like so. Just flatten it out. You don't really have to be precise here. You could if you want to, but I just started pouring. So make it even, and then go ahead and add your cucumbers. You could add as many or as little, but I love cucumbers, so let's go ahead and add a lot. There we go. And who says you need a sushi roller? Just go ahead and use your fingers. You know, as long as you fold it once over and that side touches the rice, you're good to go. And I did it with one hand, so you can too. So just go ahead and roll, and then the heat of the rice is going to seal the end of the nori. So you don't have to use water or anything. Just make sure the seam side is down, face down on the cutting board, so it can automatically seal up. So let's go ahead and make a couple more. So for my next one, I went ahead and made sure the edges had rice this time. Go ahead and load up some more cucumbers and then roll it up. I think I added too much filling this time, so it kind of split. So for the next one, I won't make that mistake. I added kimchi and a little bit of cucumbers this time. Roll that up. I made 2 of them. So total we have 4. That's as many as would fit on my cutting board. I didn't want to take out a plate. So you want to start with the one you made first, and when you slice it, so it's colder. So I end up slicing one cucumber only and the other one cucumber and sushi combination. Go ahead and plate that up, and it looks delicious. Who would have thought you could make this in the rice cooker? Right? It's healthy, it's affordable, it's fun, and it was delicious. So let's go ahead and add a couple more. Let's choose a nicer one. And then I just kept like putting it onto the plate. I wanted to make like a flower so it looked pretty. And then can we fit one more maybe? Yeah, we can. And then I also went ahead and sliced some oranges because I wanted to make like a garnish. And then, you know, I went ahead and added a couple of them, but then I noticed that maybe it's not exactly pretty, and it wasn't really going with the theme. So I went ahead and, well, let's try one more. No, that's not gonna work. So let's go ahead and maybe we'll just keep one for pictures, and there you go. You have rice cooker sushi. Even though this was completely experimental, it ended up turning out delicious. And now for the glamour shot. And as always, thank you for visiting my channel. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!